Powered by Plascon, today's handy hero comes from Ridge Powerbuild in Witbank.
The store was started 10 years ago, and we are here where we are because of our customers. We are a hardware store, so we sell a little bit of everything. 4 years back, I decided to change to Plascon and become an expert paint shop and join the paint club. What makes me proud of my store is all the stock that we are able to keep, and with that we can do a lot of delivery and give a good service to our customers. My customers is mostly the DIY people that love to do their own things at the house, and then as we call them, bucky builders. This store makes the best store in Emalahleni to buy Plascon from, because we keep the highest stock levels. We concentrate on Plascon itself, so because of we keeping only Plascon, we can concentrate on the best products that Plascon has got to offer to our clients. My favorite Plascon product is mica tax, and the reason for that is it's very stretchable and you can use it for outside walls. Guys, my DIY tip for today will be start using Plascon 4-in-1 water repeller on newly plastered walls. It's a primer sealer, water repeller and a top coat, so you can save a lot on labor.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.